Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix reminders app not working on iPhone. So guys, let's get start this video without wasting any time. So guys, firstly restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag this slider to the right. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen, and the next solution is update your iOS to latest. For this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest version, so simply update your iPhone to the latest iOS. So like this update is available, then install the new update. And then the next solution is enable notifications for the reminders app. For this, open settings, tap on notifications here. So tap on see suggestions, scroll down and find reminders app here and enable all the apps here like reminders. So after this, go back, and the next solution is remove reminders app widget from your home screen. So if you are using the reminder app widgets, then remove reminder widgets. And the next solution is reinstall the reminders app on your iPhone. So for this, tap on hold on the reminders app, tap on remove app, and then tap on delete app and reinstall again. And the next solution is reset your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings here. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix your reminders issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.